What's up, guys? We are literally in the world's largest IKEA right now in Metro Manila. Let's go. Honey, can you give me another coffee, please?
Boss.
Yes, sir.
Boss may complain, boss.
Back to work.
What?
Back to work. Come join us in our 47 square meter house. Right here, we have the kitchen. Little sink area, a couple of cabinets, some drawers, fully stocked and equipped for your liking. Over here we have our living room slash dining room. Beautiful little two-seater couch with an extra chair over there. And over here we have table space enough, plenty space for 4 people. And now we will show you the master bedroom. But first, it's a bathroom. The bathroom is kind of small. A little bit of a shower over here. And your toilet over here. Over here is a master bedroom. Plenty of space for having the husband do some extra work from home. A little bed. And a nice little bed for the little baby. And then if we go to here, we will have, once the child is a little bit bigger, obviously you would think they would need a bedroom. Well, the house is big enough for that. Come join here. It's like a double bed. The only thing is it's actually single because the top bunk and on the bottom there's a little bit of an office space for your child to do her homework. And that's our house.
Don't gotta worry for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry and I need love.
So we are going to enjoy this beautiful meal, and then that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next video, I guess.
Are you tired?
I'm tired from all that walking. It was massive in here. It's huge. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. Like, share, and subscribe.
Don't